it's supposed to feel.
Good morning, everybody. This is Michael at FABS. We are at our first install for the week. It's Monday. And this is that real pretty quartz I showed you guys at the shop on a short. I'll be honest, I've never seen a stone that's going to match a house better than this is. This is going to be a two-step job because it gets full height. And we always template the full height after we install the perimeter so we can get an exact fit. So once it's all done, it's going to be awesome. So just like usual, I will keep you in touch if we run into anything on this tear out and perimeter install, and then of course I'll video again when we come back with the full height. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm sure most of you already know this, but you always want to take any tile off the walls first, because your old countertops will basically work as a cover to keep from getting this dust and tile chips and all that from getting it down in your cabinets on your dishes and things like that. So I always do it, you know, in sequence. The tile, the stuff on the walls, then the perimeter cabinet secondary, or the perimeter top secondary. Alright guys, when you want to take a piece of trim off, you got a top, refrigerator's tight. The only way to get it in without levitating it is to take this piece of trim off. It's got a sink run in it. All you want to do is first take your razor knife, cut along here, here, and all the way back down in there. And then you're just going to take shims and you know, keep working it so that you don't break the piece of trim. And as you can see, I've got plenty of shims in here. Normally they've got a little piece of metal up in there that goes sideways. That's kind of a pain. Just going to work it out. Work it out. Work it out. The goal is to not tear the paint or anything like that. Ideally, you don't want to rip any of the paint. So that's why you want to make your cuts along the front and the back. It's not the end of the world if you do. And then when you get up, just tilt it, and that'll pull that side out. And that's it. You can just pop it back in when you're done. Alright guys, we're finished with our install. We templated the full height. I didn't get pictures of it. We spent couple hours templating it. It's actually going all the way up to the ceiling here. We're coming back on Monday to finish up. Electricians here working on some outlets. So I'll finish this video when we come with the full height and let you just see how it turns out. It's going to be a really cool job with the veins going up the wall and all that. And the customer's got a really cool house. She's been very nice. She stayed in her room and let us work. You really can't beat it. So I will see you guys on Monday. Alright guys, we're back at the job site with this real pretty quartz. We checked our templates for the full height, and we are getting ready to go to work putting this stuff together. As you can see, it's quite a bit. So it's going to take a little while. She was having her cabinet doors done earlier, so we waited till 1 to come to let them finish up. And we're going to get started, and I will touch base with you as we go. Okay guys, we've got this full height finished. It's been a long night, but turned out great, I think. As you can see, we did the best we could to match up the grain on the backsplash here. I think everything turned out very nice. So we've got everything totally cleaned up, caulked out, silicone. It's 9 o'clock now. So we've been here a while, so we're fixing to get out of here. I'm sure the customer's ready for us to get done. We cleaned up the floor. She's got to take some off of her doors so that they'll fit in here, or flip them around or something, because the granite sits out quite a bit. But she told us to go ahead and move forward on this, that she'll take care of it, and that's about it. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.
How it's supposed to feel.